Alex Ayala is the new champion of the Washington DC Mubadala Open
Yes,
tennis tournament.
right.
We are
Yes.
happy for you, Alex.
We are proud of you, Alex.
We are proud. Keep up the good work.
Yes.
So, anong nangyari sa Washington DC? Ikaw pa rin nanood ng laro nila.
Yeah.
Di ba siya?
Alam mo yung
Brief
tinalo
rundown.
niya muna yung mga upper tennis players of the world like
yeah.
Naomi Osaka,
Oh yeah.
si Canadian American Fernandez. Tapos sa final naglaro sila, kalaro niya or nakalaban niya si Jessica Pegula at 6-0 ay 6-4 4-6 saka 6-0. My God, that's a good record, Ted. Kaya we are proud of Alex. So ngayon,
Pare, giant killer. Itong si
giant killer, yes.
Alex. Si Pegula pala na tinalo niya for the championship. Number
Pegula.
3 in the world ranking
Ranking.
of women's tennis.
Right.
At remember naman earlier sa Wimbledon, tinalo niya si Swiatek.
Yeah.
Who was formerly number 3. Then dahil tinalo ni Alex, naging number 8 na lang. So pinalitan siya ni Pegula na number 3. At dito sa Washington DC Open, Mubadala Open, si Osaka pala, si Naomi Osaka, ay hindi basta-bastang player to. Japanese player.
Yeah.
Formerly number 1.
My goodness.
Sa women's tennis. She is now number 14. At hindi lang yon. Si Naomi Osaka, 4 na major tournaments ang tinalo niya.
Yeah.
Siya ang naging champion.
Australia
and Wimbledon Open. 2 beses Australia Open, 2 beses sa Wimbledon. Alam mo, itong batang to, I think she's over 20 years old lang. 28, I think, 27. She has accumulated earnings of $27 million. Pare ko, how much is that in Philippine pesos?
Yeah.
Anak ng pating. Multiply mo yan. Billion na ito.
Yeah, kaya...
Billion na ito. Nakatira sa Beverly Hills, malapit sa'yo. Ngayon, with that kind of money, pare, you should have the best houses. So, nandyan sa Beverly Hills. At isa pang tinalo niya dyan sa Washington DC, si Svitolina, a former number 3 in women's tennis in the world. She's now number 10. Puro giants. So, she's a giant killer.
Yeah, correct.
Wow. Another round of applause.
At ngayon, Ted, si Alex Ayala, from number 28, she rose to number 20 now.
Number 20 now, yeah.
In the World Tennis Association ranking.
At alam mo ba kung nasaan siya ngayon?
Toronto.
Nandun siya sa Toronto, another tournament.
Yes.
At nanalo siya sa opening round.
Right.
Against Sparks naman. So, nandun ang mga Pilipino. Dami daw Pilipino.
Marami doon.
Alam mo, ang Toronto sa Canada, I think that's the biggest
the biggest concentration of Filipino-Canadian.
Kagaya naman natin dito sa California. Dito ang pinakamalaking concentration of Filipinos in America.
Yeah.
Yeah, very proud kami sa iyo. Keep up the good work. At meron akong idagdag sa nasabi natin the last time when she was here, dahil winelcome siya ni President Marcos, he was fitted in Malacanang Palace, di ba? She was fitted in Malacanang Palace.
Yeah.
Where the President complimented her with very good remarks.
Yeah.
And then from here, from the Philippines, pumunta na siya dito, bumalik siya sa Amerika at doon nga sa Washington DC siya
Right.
nagpaglaban ulit. And right now, nasa Toronto, Canada. Alam mo, pwede kong idagdag, pare, konfirmado. Nasabi ko noon na taga Ilocosur ang roots ni Alex Yala. Confirmed.
Yeah.
Her grandfather. Let me check my notes. Her grandfather, her grandfather, Quintin, by the name of Quintin Iyala. You know why I know this? Our grandfather Quintin Iyala ay taga San Esteban, Ilocosur, pare.
Okay, yeah.
Let me check,
Iba yung nagturo sa kanya ng tennis?
Grandfather on the mother side naman.
Yan, okay.
Yung brad mo. Yung brad mo.
Yeah.
Yung brad mo sa...
Apo.
Yung brad mo sa Prat, di ba, pare?
Okay, yeah.
Di ba? Tingnan mo, Teka, kitang dali lang, Nandito. Alam mo, shiner sa akin ng aking pinsan, si Gus Molina. Di mo kilala si Gus. In the political world, hindi siya masyado kilala, but in the international community of scientists, kilala siya.
Okay.
He is a prominent and a well-known plant scientist,
Okay.
especially in bananas.
Okay.
Okay, nandito ang kanyang revelation. Alex Iyala's great-grandparents are Quintin Iyala and Pasing Karandang. Quintin Iyala is an Ilocano from San Esteban, Ilocosur, while Pasing Karandang is a Batangueña.
Yeah, Batangas, mga Karandang, taga Batangas yan.
Yes. Si Quintin Iyala ay university librarian daw nila noon sa UPLB, kung saan nag-aral yung pinsan ko, si Gus Molina.
Okay.
University of the Philippines in Los Baños. And Pasing Karandang was the proprietress of Butika Karandang.
Okay.
At Crossing Los Baños. In Los Baños, Laguna. Alright, so that's it. So kayong mga kababayan dyan sa Ilocosur, magdiwang kayo, imbitahan nyo dyan. Baka sakaling pupunta dyan sa atin. So
to visit
proud
her
of you.
roots.
Alex Yala, hindi lang dahil ikaw ay kapwa Pilipino, kundi kapareho kong taga Ilocosur.
Yes.
Kaparehong Ilocano.
Yeah.
Alright, Dan. That's it, mga kababayan. At magpapaalam na po kami ni Dan. At bago kami magpaalam, please consider subscribing to our channel, Oro Deo TV channel, where our program, Usapang
Pinoy
sa
sa
Amerika
Amerika.
is being shown. And paki-like na rin and paki-share. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ninyo sa amin. See you until our next podcast. Ikaw naman, Dan.
Okay. Mga kababayan, muli-uli kaming magpapaalam sa inyo at hindi lang kami magpapaalam kundi magpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aming programang ito, Oredeo TV channel, para makapaglahad ng aming mga adhikain, ang aming kuro-kuro, dahil kahit na nasa ibang bansa na kami, ang aming damdamin ay nasa Pilipinas pa rin at sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. See you again next time. So maraming salamat at sana'y kita ulit tayo. Mabuhay tayong lahat, Ted.